More than 30 nursing homes in Nebraska have closed in just the last 3 years. Many in rural Nebraska are struggling to stay open as well. And the question is, why? Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Kennedy Stillwater has the answer for us tonight. Kennedy?
That's right, Megan. In the past several years, Medicaid rates have gone down, and it's been harder for nursing homes to keep up with the increased expenses they are faced with.
It's a crisis. That's not being dramatic.
The Rural Health Development is trying to educate Nebraskans on Medicaid cuts that are hurting nursing homes.
You're sort of stuck with the Medicaid rate that you get, and then to try and make it work otherwise, you either have to increase your private pay rates, so you're charging them more than what they really should be paying, or the communities are having to kick in money to keep homes alive.
Russ says a lot of rural communities have high percentage of Medicaid residents. He says that those residents have exhausted their resources, often from being in a nursing home.
The lack of Medicaid funding has caused them to eat through some of their reserves. You know, if they've been able to put some money away, but it's not that hard to go through that money when we're seeing the low Medicaid rates that we are.
Medicaid isn't the only thing putting nursing homes in crisis mode. Ross describes the situation as the perfect storm.
There's also the reality that census levels are dropping, makes it harder, and staffing has been a big challenge. There's just in many facilities not enough nurses, CNAs, the lifeblood of the home.
Ross says they're not giving up hope yet. They're pushing for more help.
We're hoping that through education we can maybe get some support for more funding. You know, I mean, we are advocates for caring for the elderly in Nebraska, so we would like to see enough funding to be able to do that.
Rural Health Development is holding a conference at the Lancaster Event Center on December 19th about the nursing home crisis. You will also be able to watch it live on YouTube. You can find the link on our website, klkntv.com.
Kennedy Stillwater from the Newsroom tonight. Thank you, Kennedy.